Hey guys, and welcome to Barbecue Profits. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a brisket. I got 3 of them here. I want to get my gloves on. Always wear your gloves. It's a professional way of handling food. And it's also safe for cross-contamination or what have you. But I'm just going to talk here a bit about brisket. And here's your flat. This is going to be going in the smoker. I don't do anything fancy. I enjoy all of it. I enjoy the fat. I enjoy the meat. This I got for $3 a pound, which is a good find right today. I get $19 a pound with 2 small sides, 2 half-cup sides. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this in a carrier. And I'm going to season. Salt. Garlic. And pepper. Now this pepper I have my smoking salt in it, which is a smoke seasoning. Adds a little extra sweet, tart, smoke flavor that people like. I smoke my seasonings, guys. I smoke my seasonings and then I smoke my food. This is an ice cold piece of meat. This is 35 degrees. 35 degrees, and this is going to pick up all those sweet phenol smokes in the chamber. Okay, so there's one. Open this up. I don't trim this off. I keep that. I let that baste. Beautiful food. It's 2 o'clock here. These are going to go until 10, 11 o'clock. Then I'm going to pull them to be, 11 o'clock. 6, 7, 8, 9 hours. Another carrier. And again, the same process. Some nice smoking salts in there, some kosher, garlic, SPG, as other people call it, a little rub. I do not inject. But the beef loves that pepper. SPG. I have one more. Be careful not to mar up. But I get a high star, 5-star system going here, and I'm gonna help you duplicate that by watching what I do. You want what I have, you do what I do. I'm going to share that with you. Don't be afraid. Beef loves pepper. This is a fresh ground pepper I do. Actually, I buy my peppercorn, Malabar, or what have you, and I smoke it, and then I grind it in a mill. Press it in. Not fancy. It's the way it is. That's it. That's your seasoning of your brisket. A lot of people say, do you wait? I'll let it wait while it's smoking. I'm going to have a chamber at about 180 degrees. I'm going to allow my oak to burn down. So I have a third stage fire, going into a third stage fire. And then I'm going to maintain that. I have mesquite chunk for the brisket. And every hour I throw a couple of chunks of mesquite, moistened mesquite on the side of the fire. But again, maintaining about 180 degrees, no more than 200. And this is going to run at minimum of 8 hours. I'm going to then pull it, let it rest, wrap it, protect it, and then I'm going to oven tender it overnight for another 4 or 5 hours until I get an internal temperature of 200 degrees. End product for service. I let it cool down one more time. This is at 35 degrees right now. I generate pencil-sized slices. I give the customer 0.8 of a pound. Okay, I also give them enticed with 2 sides. Beautiful. When you warm this in a saucepan, which I'll generate another video for, bringing this up to temperature, up to what I call up to service. All customers are very pleased with the product. All right, simple. All right, we'll get on to the next stage.